Isa na lang po, just a side issue sa immigration. And perhaps if other USECs of the DOJ can jump in. Pinag-uusapan namin ni Senator De La Rosa, champion yung Gilas. Mr. Chairman, tapos pinag-uusapan natin kanina yung mga passport holders, yung karapatan nila. Nagtataka po ako, Mr. Chairman. Matanong ko po ang BID or a senior USEC here. Pag ikaw ay passport holder, ikaw ay non-naturalized. Do you enjoy the same rights as an ordinary Filipino is also passport holder? Pareho lang ba? Kahit iba yung kulay mo. Who can answer for this? Yusek Dulay. Tahimik ka eh. Ikaw na lang.
Anyone from the department can answer.
I request Yusek Dulay with the permission of Secretary Remulla.
Yusek, yeah?
Well, the naturalized Filipino, Your Honor, enjoys the same privileges as a natural-born Filipino. So I would suppose that they should be treated the same.
Same. Kasi yung kanina, yung mga Koreanong sinasabi nyo, hindi nga sila naturalized, nakakuha lang ng fake passport. Sabi ko kay Chairman, Class B passport, iba lang yung muka, nakakapagtrabaho dito. So dapat pala, pag may na-naturalize ka, you underwent a process, nagka-passport ka, pwede ka magtrabaho dito.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pwede ka rin tumakbong kapitan, ano?
They cannot be, I think certain positions they cannot be voted
Pero
upon.
pwede ka magtrabaho.
Yes, Your
Siguro,
Honor.
lingering question, Mr. Chairman, na pinag-uusapan namin ni Senator Bato. Bakit yung mga naturalized PBA player natin, hindi pwede magtrabaho dito? For instance, si Kukwame, doon na maglalaro sa France. Si Justin Brownlee is playing here as an import. Hindi sila makalaro sa All Filipino kasi they're considered as imports. Ganon din si na Doubt Hit, bumalik na sa Amerika. Sino pa ba yung isa? Si Blanche, nandun na. So pero sabi ni Yusek Dulay, sir, pakiulit, they are given the rights and privileges.
Yes, the same as a natural-born Filipino, Your Honor.